Man, all you Las Vegas detailers, mobile detailers, y'all suck. Y'all don't want no dough. I called too many of y'all and none of y'all showed up. It's alright. It's okay. Y'all so mean, man. Don't want to degrease my motor. Alright, man. Yeah, so all the detailers out here, they didn't want to. I don't know, you can get nobody to freaking come wash a car. But so whatever it is, what it is. So I'm just degreasing it again. They already had degreaser on there. I'm just degreasing it again. For you, those of you that don't know, one of the best degreasers. I forgot who said it in the comments. I forgot who it was. But man, oven cleaner works miracles. I don't have the oven cleaner right now. I'm using Tough Stuff. That worked miracles. I'm not telling you put it on your car. I'm just telling you this is what I use. It is what it is. This is what I use. You can use gunk. You can use the AutoZone brand. You can use whatever the hell you want to do. Any degreaser is gonna work. But that Tough Stuff in oven cleaner, that's gonna take all the damn gunk off the fastest. So that's pretty much all I want to get off my chest. Yeah. For those of you that don't know, this right here is called that Rule 3000. Yeah. So, if y'all don't have a pressure washer, or if it's super early in the morning, y'all don't want to wake nobody up, get your whatever degreaser you want to use, go to Harbor Freight, get your, ask them specifically for a Rule 5000, RU 5000, Rule 5000. No, it's in the garden section. It's a garden cleaner. Water your plants or whatever the fuck it is. It's like 30 bucks. I don't know. I use a coupon. I think I only got it for like $20. Oh, that shit leaking like this, man. She must be upset with me. I ain't using it in a long time. Let me bring you up close so you can see what it does. Alright, so y'all see all that little dirt right there, whatever? It'll start spitting all that stuff off easily. Already bringing the heads back to the original color. And it don't have that much pressure, but I mean, you know, it's not gonna hurt it. You need to tighten this damn thing up or something. I'll have to probably get some muscle up in this thing too. If I'd had like 2,000 pounds of PSI or something, one of them 2200s, or even a 3,000, that would have been nice. But like I said, these Vegas detailers suck. If you're a Las Vegas detailer, please hit my Gmail, THELSSWAPGURU@gmail.com, so I can stop doing this crap. All right. Little baby getting there, you see it? You see it, baby? About to make them heads look like they've been ported. So, take your reliable, and sometimes you gotta give it a little bit of help. You know? Give it a little bit of help. It don't matter when I'm done with this. I'm gonna take it to the I'm gonna take it to go get it pressure washed, like legit from the little knock sensor. I'm gonna take it and get it pressure washed anyway, so it's not really a big deal. Let me grab that Roof 5000 real quick though. The key is it's to let it build up some nice pressure. Oh shucks. Make sure y'all hold y'all nose too, man. What the hell wrong with this damn thing? Don't worry about getting inside the heads wet. What you're gonna do is take out the spark plug wires and turn the crank, and all that crap gonna fall right out. Look at that. That's that Roof 5000 kicking in. Yeah, this really sucks. I'm not gonna lie. Pressure washer would have made my life a lot easier. That's how I did the. Oh, never mind. I didn't get the pressure wash the engines on the 87. Oh, new video of the 87 Cutlass will be coming tomorrow. Get on this side. See, I can see my little pretty face. I don't know if y'all can see me or not. I'll be over at the 87 Cutlass LS swap. I'll be over there tomorrow doing that. I'm painting the firewall, painting the fenders, and basically I'm gonna prep it so we can get the motor dropped in. So y'all make sure y'all watch that. All right, well, that's the end of that. All that stuff is done and over with. So now all I'm gonna do is just start slapping it back together. Put the intake on for good, leave it tied down. Oh yeah, I sold that the LS1 intake today. So that's gone. So for sure, this will be getting truck accessories now. Oh, excuse me, sorry about that. That was pretty rude. I just wanted to make a video real quick before I put the intake on. Y'all seen what it looked like before. This is what it looks like now. You could get a wire brush and go more into detail with it if you really want to, like I did on the OBS. If you haven't seen that, go back to the video when I did the OBS, and you'll see exactly what came out. Look freaking damn near brand new. So, I'm about to put the intake on, and put the throttle body on, and can I get a hello? All right, that's it. Got the intake on here. I do need to just find the rest of the damn pieces. These little pieces, I lost 4 of them. I actually lost six of them. So I gotta find those. The throttle body on there. As you can. Back. Damn. Little heifer made me cough. Yeah, so now I'm about to just shoot, man, just push it back in. I want to thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed that video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, share, and comment. I appreciate all y'all that commented on the last video. Let me know where y'all was from. It's a gang y'all watching. I appreciate it the most. Thanks for sticking with me. I know my video quality wise is crappy, you know, sound quality, picture pixels and all that stuff. So I got a few things in the works right now to build the channel up. So just give me a little bit more time. As a few of y'all probably knows, I got a little tripod stand or whatnot. So yeah, man, I'm gonna get these builds done. Stay tuned for the next video. It's gonna be the 87 Cutlass. I'll be over there tomorrow to try to hopefully drop the motor in. But I can't end the video without saying it. You already know what I'm about to say. Oh wait.